Apache was a large supplier to Motion Industries, and so it was just a perfect fit because of the relationship that we had with the group. We found that their values and the way they approach the market were very similar to what Motion does. We look for organizations that have good, solid people to run and that will adapt well to Motion and our values and principles and how we go to market. And Apache certainly fits that mold.
So here at Apache, we process about 600 miles of conveyor belt annually. Most of that is done here in Cedar Rapids, particularly heavy-duty conveyor belt. We have an extremely committed labor force here. It's what's made Apache great over the years is our commitment to quality, but also to customer service and having the get-it-done attitude that all of our employees bring every day, because we want to make sure that we remain flexible, yet disciplined enough to make sure we get our orders out and we are servicing our customers in the best way we can.
So at Apache, we offer a wide variety of product and services. Some of the things we're really known for are heavy duty and lightweight conveyor belting. Within that product offering, we offer a wide variety of custom fabrications on lightweight and heavy duty specs, ranging from custom finishes, cleating options, endless options, feed guides, and even perforations and custom holes or patterns in your belt.
Apache is a leader in the industry when it comes to conveyor belting. Their sidewall process, their cleating, V-guiding, lacing is number one. Our competitors today are still trying to catch up to them. The hose and couplings, they do specialty hoses here also.
So the agricultural market, has long been a major focus of Apache. We are certified to couple anhydrous ammonia hose. Since it's a high liability product, you have to go through a very rigorous certification process.
Apache has a quality product 100% of the time. It's been tested, spec'd in for the right belt for the right application or the right hose for the right application.
I think Apache is just such a customer-oriented, driven to success organization that we've really built a reputation as a subject matter experts in a lot of industries, and we go out and provide that Apache brand every day to those industries as a customer-focused, customer-driven company.
There are a few things that make us unique here in Des Moines. The level of quality that's required to produce a good variable chamber round baler belt is very high. We have 6 production lines, and those 6 production lines can put out roughly 120, 130 belts in a day. And we also have something like a combined 200 years worth of industry experience. We have a great deal of goodwill in the marketplace today, and that's driven by the level of quality in our product.
All products today in the market are not created equally. There's some lower cost products out there, average products, but when you come to Apache, you're going to get the top of the line, hose or conveyor belt.
Here at Apache, we go through a pretty rigorous supplier certification process in that we visit the factories, we provide specification sheets for our products to make sure that the product being manufactured either domestically or internationally is manufactured to our specifications. Certainly we process a lot of conveyor belt through our facilities every year, which results in a lot of scrap. A lot of that scrap is used in our orders through our cut rubber parts departments, where we are cutting all kinds of parts for OEM manufacturers, vibration pads, gasketing, all kinds of things go on, all types of equipment.
What's unique about what Apache offers into the marketplace is that we really come up with custom solutions for our customers. We come in and we look at the conveyor or the original equipment and decide what's the best product for that application. So, what you get at Apache is a lot of support in the field and through customer service to really find the right solution for their need.
It's really another arrow in the quiver for our salespeople. They can go out and afford our customers the ability, one-stop shopping. They can buy their gearbox, their bearings, their motors, idlers and pulleys, and now they're belting from one spot in Motion Industries. And we have the ability to do installation work at the same time.
If there were a couple of things that I could convey to our customers, it would be our commitment to innovation and the quality of our products, and our dedication to providing our customers what they need when they need it.
So what's really exciting with the partnership between Apache and Motion Hose and Rubber Shops is you really won't find a bigger company out there that offers a larger breadth of product when it comes to heavyweight, lightweight, belting products, customization, hose products for every industry, and cut and rubber parts. I mean, really, we should be a one-stop shop to solve any customer's problems when it comes to that breadth of product.
All I see in front of us is a tremendous amount of opportunity for growth. I mean, we have yet to even tap the potential of this group together between the acquisitions of Belt Shops and Apache and the Motion branches. The future looks very bright. It's going to be amazing.